Hey there, energy-deprived humans. Are you tired of feeling like a sloth on a Monday morning? Do you rely on coffee so much that your blood type might as well be espresso? Well, fear not. Today we're diving into 5 foods to boost energy instantly. Because let's face it, waiting for energy is so 2022. And don't worry, this isn't some random TikTok trend. We're backed by science, baby. So grab a snack, preferably one of these, and let's get energized. 1. Bananas, the OG energy bar of the banana. Nature's energy bar, no wrapper, no weird ingredients, just pure potassium-packed goodness. Bananas are loaded with natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which your body can convert into energy faster than you can say, "Why did I stay up watching cat videos last night?" Plus, they're rich in vitamin B6, which helps convert food into fuel. And let's not forget the fiber. It keeps your energy levels steady so you don't crash like your Wi-Fi during a Zoom meeting. Bonus, they come with their own biodegradable packaging. Take that plastic-wrapped granola bars! 2 Oats the Breakfast MV Oats are the unsung heroes of the breakfast world. They're like the reliable friend who shows up with coffee when you're hungover. Oats are packed with complex carbohydrates which break down slowly, giving you a steady stream of energy. They also contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that slows digestion and keeps your blood sugar level stable. Translation: no mid-morning crash where you're Googling, "Why am I so tired?" Pro tip, add some nuts or fruit to your oats for an extra energy boost. Or, just eat them plain if you're into bland food. 3. Nuts and seeds. Tiny but mighty nuts and seeds are like the Avengers of snacks, small but packed with power. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. This combo keeps you full and energized longer than your last Netflix binge. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps convert glucose into energy. So, if you're feeling sluggish, maybe it's not your job, maybe you just need more almonds. Warning: don't eat too many at once or you'll feel like you swallowed a brick. 4. Dark chocolate, the guilty pleasure that's actually good for you. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's a legit energy booster. The caffeine and theobromine in dark chocolate can give you a quick pick-me-up without the jitters of coffee. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, which improve blood flow and help your brain function better. So, eating dark chocolate is basically like giving your brain a spa day. Important note: we're talking dark chocolate here, not that milk chocolate stuff that's basically sugar in a fancy wrapper. Aim for at least 70% cocoa, your energy levels will thank you. 5. Water. The underrated hero? Okay, I know what you're thinking. Water? Really? That's not a food. Well, newsflash. Dehydration is one of the top reasons you feel like a zombie by 3 p.m. Even mild dehydration can zap your energy faster than your boss can schedule a last-minute meeting. Water helps transport nutrients, flush out toxins, and keep your cells functioning properly. So, if you're feeling sluggish, maybe you don't need another coffee. Maybe you just need to hydrate like a normal human being. Pro tip: add a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water if you're feeling fancy. Or just drink it plain. It's not that hard, people. And there you have it. 5 foods and 1 life-saving beverage to boost your energy instantly. No magic pills, no weird diets, just real science-backed foods that actually work. So, the next time you're dragging through the day, skip the 3rd cup of coffee and grab one of these instead. Your body and your caffeine-addicted soul will thank you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a banana and a nap. Stay energized, folks! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.